Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where all the green and red line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get some things updated here. And really, there's kind of basically, I'd call this the onion pattern, meaning, onions have multiple layers. And in this situation, there's a couple different channels to keep an eye on. So before anything else, though, what I do want to do is just get the chart updated. And this comes on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And if you did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $9 as support, but now with the price down below it, this would be considered an area of resistance and the top portion of the inner part of the onion, the inner layer. So in order to establish a little bit better, I'm actually going to change these lines just so you can kind of visualize things a little bit better. And again, this part is the inner part of the onion. So $9 is that resistance level as just talked about. And then as far as the next part of the onion is concerned, or the bottom portion of this channel, that's right there at $7.60. So again, there is kind of a channel within a channel. And this tighter channel here goes from 9 down to 760. So keep an eye on that. That would be the first channel pattern that has taken place. On the flip side, then, you also have more so the overall channel, and the overall channel has its bottom portion down here at that solid green line, which is 7, and then the solid red line up there right around $10, and I actually can't remember what that is. Is that 10.25 or 10? Right around 10.40. So 10.40 top of the channel, and then down there at $7. So again, maybe the colors work a little bit better. You have the inner channel here, and then you have the more so big picture channel right there. So that's really the easiest way to kind of look at this going forward. 2 channels or an onion, however it best visualizes in your mind. But keep an eye on that, and we'll see if the price can get either a breakout to the upside of the channels or a breakdown to the downside. But I will be watching this one for sure on Monday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.